Hello traders, right. I know this looks a mess, but I think it'll be quite valuable. So I'll try and keep this on point as opposed to all the off point stuff that I'll often babble about. So I'm focusing on DAX at the moment, and it's going really well, and learning lots of things, or reminding myself of lots of things. So this looks a complete mess, doesn't it? It was an empty chart, apart from these bits here from yesterday. It was an empty chart. I took, well, I'll show you actually. Um, Dean's lines. Got my own set of little defaults there. And if I do this, okay, takes all of Dean's lines off. Now, if I want them on, this is why I call it one click. I mean, technically it's two clicks, isn't it? But open the indicator, press click, and there they all are back on, because I've created my own set of parameters. I have shared them online on my Twitter feed before now. So you're looking at something that looks pretty scary, doesn't it? Right, first off, H1 tells me, and 30 rather, and H1 tell me, probably H4 as well. I did check it, believe me, I go through everything daily down to M1. But this is telling me the indicators are above zero. There are certain times when you can go long from below zero, but everything's above zero. So anything that I take as a short trade, a possibility, is against the momentum, the power. So we can see that we've got a slight up move there. We're above that's a 20 EMA. You could have anything on there, quite frankly, you know, 9s, 10s, 11, 12. People swear by all of them, but an SMA and all that lot. But the EMA is probably the better setting, and then anything you like on there, really, within reason. So we start to move down, M30. Yeah, I mean, obviously that's turned green there. We want to trade as near as the, you know, we've got 3CR there as well, there, and there. But obviously that's a big candle, that's scary. But that's why this is a bit of a mess, because it's been scrunched up because of the big candle there. A mess visually. So we got a flag type thing here, or a descent, a wedge, whatever you want to call it. And now back to the nitty gritty. Still M5 looks a mess. Now, as I said, I've built a plan on here, and then when we get to M1, everything will become very clear. It will look like a normal chart again now, because of that big candle. Everything is messy. There's nothing you can do about that except move away from it, as it were, so it doesn't affect the structure of the chart. So as you can see, when I started this morning, I drew this descending trend line. I wanted to go long, but it went short, and I took the short. Took the short to the daily open, as you can see, it's clearly there. But how do I use this? Why have you got pings going on? Because I've got alerts here using the manual alert. Here it is here. I'll stick one on for you. Trading. So you right click, trading. This is for newer traders, obviously. Alert, and there it is. And then if you want to check your sound's working, everything, put a long alert below price. Oh, in fact, frankly, it's crashed again. There it is there. That's telling us that the price is in the wrong position in this instance. If we put a short alert, let's drag that back up there, because that will remain a long alert until you either delete it or price breaks it. So put that back up there. But you can see this alert here. I've got these are drawn on M5 closes. Don't worry about price going down anymore. The lower it goes, the better. They call it a better discount on price for the longs. So let's talk about the 5-minute chart. Zoom in, and you can see I've put these blue levels on the 5-minute open and closes. That's closed there, that's open there. That's open close, or close the green candle. And oh, sorry, my mouse is messing around. That's because I've got so much going on other machines using the same internet connection, obviously. So this Oh, I'm going to run out of time. I've just run out.